locks are like really like boho-y and they're really just kind of free, you just do whatever you're feeling, you do it when you wake up. I haven't been a lot of places or done a lot of things while I've had these locks in the past month, so I've worn a couple styles, but like when I'm working, it's pretty much just up in a bun because I get hot. I just kind of be like maneuvering around, so I keep it real simple. One thing I will say with these locks, because of the thread and the beads, sometimes it kind of get tangly, and then you have like these free strands. But all you have to do is literally wrap this hair and just pull it right off, and you're good. Or take some scissors and snip it away. So these last couple of styles that I'm gonna do using my two scarves that I pretty much wear all the time. It's just a silk scarf. I got this thrifted. This is so cute and retro. I just cannot, like, this is amazing. Silk scarf is not like super huge, but it works for what I'm about to show you guys. I literally fold it corner to corner, not corner to corner, but like diagonal. So like I'm gonna bring in like, what do they call it? Hot dog, I think. Nope, not a hot dog. This is like a crank. I don't really know. Whatever. I'm just gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna use a hair tie for this. You can use a hair tie. Actually, I will use a hair tie to show y'all. So I'm just gonna put a loose ponytail. I'm gonna put it to the side because that's really where it's gonna fall. Far up in the back, so it's not like too much, like basically just hanging down. This is like completely off my neck, like unless I wear it to the back like that. So, yeah. If you have braids too, it might be a little bit more difficult because braids are a little heavier. These locks are super light. It like, I don't feel like I got nothing in my hair. I mean it does because obviously this is not my hair, and this isn't really the texture of my hair, but it's similar and they so much. Last style I'm going to do using my very big beautiful scarf my mama sent me with my sari. So it actually goes with my outfit. This is, I can wear it as a hair wrap, or I can use it as you know, an outfit scarf with the actual outfit I got with it. So as you guys see, it's real lightweight, airy, fairy, leery, not heavy at all. Super thin. It's like a mesh between like cottony, but also like silk. I'm not really sure what, because I don't want to say it's cotton because it's not as thick as cotton, and it's not like as like hot as cotton. So yeah, I'm basically gonna start with my hair up in this bun. It's really like not at the very top of my head, but in the middle, and I just wrapped it around. It's a real carefree bun. You know what I'm doing? I'm literally just gonna put this scarf directly. I'm just gonna wrap the scarf like this, and then we're gonna go. Put the scarf on like this, and basically make sure both sides are even. Now, I will say for a hair wrap like this, whether you have box braids, your natural hair, and you want to just put something up at the top, and you want to like actually put like maybe a fake puff or something just so you can get the big look, you could even, no, you want to make sure you have a really big scarf. You don't want a super heavy scarf or thick scarf because then it won't really like look right. I've done it with one thick scarf and it was good, but it just was really hot, and it probably wasn't the best material for my hair per se. Because this is fake hair, maybe it'll be okay with that, but I don't know. I prefer these types of scarves, really easy, really lightweight, and comfortable. It's not super heavy because the thicker it gets, the heavier it might get, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to do all that. You want to do that. I can't really see how it looks, like how neat it will look, but I kind of have an idea. So basically, I'm just going to take both sides and then just start from the top, and I'm going to pull these, I'm going to crisscross it. I'm going to crisscross it. I'm going to start with this side. So I'm going to put this side over like this, and for the side I'm not using, I'm just going to kind of like wrap it around and tuck it under my neck so I can kind of keep a hold on it. Now as you wrap it, you can kind of move your bun. You have all control over this, so it's going to look exactly how you want it to look. And you also want to do like a loose bun so you can have a little room to maneuver. So I'm literally just going to wrap it around my bun. I could tuck it, but sometimes it becomes like too skinny if you tuck it. But I'm just going to take this side and make sure this is up like this. I'm going to take this side of my scarf and I'm going to wrap it going the opposite way. And it is tight. It's not super tight, but it's secure. Easy, super quick. This is probably like by far my favorite. It's wrap to wear and the way to style my hair. I like how big it is, and I just like how natural it looks. Like I legit look like a queen. I know. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I was in a furniture store and this lady, she came up to me like, "Oh my God, I seen you when you walked in, and I just had to ask, how did you wrap your head like that?" And she actually had like real locks in her hair, and she said she don't know how to wrap it. And I'm like, girl, that head full of locks, I know you wore this. I know you wore this wrap before. But she said she didn't. So guess what your homegirl did, sister to sister? I took my scarf off and I showed her how I wrapped it right in the furniture store. Pretty much it. And this is probably like, again, my favorite style to wear. I love it, and it's super lightweight. Like your statement piece with an outfit, super basic outfit. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing. You guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys like these styles. Again, if you have crochet locks or you have any crochet styles, you can do so much with it. Don't feel so limited and just be boring. No, girl, get up and feel yourself. So whatever you decide to rock that shit, okay? Because there's really no right or wrong way to wear hair. There's no right or wrong hairstyle to do. You know, you can literally just be completely creative with your hair, because that's what it is. It's so creative. And I've gotten so many compliments on these locks. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Also, let me know.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Sooner than later. I'm back.